lemon and lime,
brown sugar and bacon.
mint and raspberry.
When it comes to cooking, there are certain flavors that make the perfect couple. An obvious one is Kelly's favorite, peanut butter and chocolate. Another combo that's really popular right now is garlic and honey. Believe it or not, the bold taste of fresh garlic complements the mellow sweetness of honey. Today, we're going to show you how you can turn this combo into a mouth-watering main dish. We start by seasoning some flour with salt, pepper, ginger, and a touch of ground red pepper. Then we coat some chicken breasts that we've already flattened with the flour mixture before dipping them in beaten egg. Now we saute these sort of like we would if we were making chicken francais. While these cook, we combine some butter with a generous amount of honey, some soy sauce, and our minced garlic. Once the chicken is cooked through and golden, we drizzle it with our sweet and savory sauce. To get the recipe for our brand new Asian honey garlic chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the perfect pairing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. We paired garlic and honey.